Yo, so we're back on the road again today. Today's guest is Hughley, one of the original kings of comedy. We are heading over to Jay Phillips's crib right now. Jay and DL, they both work with one another on DL's radio show. If you're unfamiliar with Jay, he popped up as a cameo in Dwayne Martin's episode.
Jay, come on in, Jay. Jay just sitting there with the empty Gatorade.
About to die. Jay, you on TV every night. How you shy?
Who's shy?
So we're gonna collab with Jay right now. We're gonna come up with some great ideas and hopefully come up with some dope kicks. So with that said, let's go. What up? What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
Chilling, man.
How you doing, man?
Thank you for having us over, man.
Come on, brother.
Appreciate you, man.
Come on in.
Let's come on in. What are your thoughts about these kicks? You got something in mind already?
First of all, DL got some little ass feet.
Okay. All right. I was gonna say we don't have a size yet, dog. So.
Yeah, DL got little ass feet.
Okay.
He wears size 8.
Size 4 women.
Yeah, basically. But,
right.
No, he wears size 8.
Okay. So he's a size 8.
Yeah.
So I gotta remember that for sure.
He's a junkie when it comes to shoes. Normally he won't do the Americans. Mm-hmm. You know, he'll wear a Nike every blue moon or something every blue moon. Unless we're playing golf, then it's whatever. It is what it is. But outside of that, he's the Alexander McQueen. He's the
Man, I saw his swag, man. He's got a lot of style.
Mm-hmm. He goes in.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen his hats. I think he has a collaboration with Gurin Brothers.
He does. He has a hat line out there.
Which is huge, bro, because Gurin's one of my favorite brands.
Mine as well.
Super classy hats.
Mine as well.
And he's always, like, when I'm looking at his Instagram, I'm looking at it, and all I see him is in suits and just, like, really nice, luxurious gear. So my question to you is, like, what pair of kicks are we gonna start with? You have an idea? I mean, you know, like you said, he really doesn't mess with like Nikes. It sounds like.
But he does. Like I said, when we play golf, you know, I'll give you an example. He saw my black Jordans.
Okay.
You know, my Jordans golf shoes. So 2 weeks later, he had them in white and purple and white and baby blue.
So he's jocking your style, bro.
Nah, he didn't jock. But he was able to find something that I didn't know existed.
Okay.
I thought that I was doing something with the black joints.
Right.
And he was just like one up you. Purple.
Gotcha.
Baby blue.
Nice. So let's do that. Let's do like a custom pair of golf cleats. Are you cool with that?
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Okay, cool. And then any particular color, style, like what's it?
He's a red man. He likes red. I was thinking something more like, you know, he's you know, one of the kings of comedy. So the OG king, you know what I mean? Like his logo is like the outline of just the glasses and the beard and the
where you see it and you know.
Kind of see what that is, and it's like dope. So
Showtime.
I don't know what. You know, I'm just giving.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Just dumping. You know what I mean?
That's what I need, man. I need these things, so that way, when we personalize it for him and he unboxes it, he's just blown away by the thoughtfulness that you're like put together for this episode. So I appreciate that. We definitely need to put his logo on there, bro, because I've seen that logo before, and it's tied up, dude. Yeah. It's like a little shadow silhouette of just his features, and when I see it, I already know that's DL Hughley.
Without a doubt. I thought it'd be dope to get this done because little give back.
That's amazing, man. So I think we got a lot of info. Jay, man, I really appreciate it. If you guys don't know the Joke Slinger, this guy kills it. Definitely you got to make sure to follow Jay Phillips Live is the name on Instagram. We're about to get lit on this pair of shoes.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
Send her back, they chant. Ku Klux Klan cops killing all these kids. Hands on the wheel, put your L's on the dash. Lock you up in jail, need the bail, get the cash. Man, I ain't really woke, a political dog. But why I'm thinking about the ops when I sit in the mosque. They ran in Carolina 9s in the synagogues. I was probably up at home eating cinnamon toast. Posted at the function tripping in the cinnamon toast. Thugs clever with Berettas packing Nina Simone's. My weapon is the words, this Rosetta with stone. I be thinking about it all when I'm hitting the roach. I be thinking about my moms when I'm deep in the prayers. I be thinking about the bars when I put it in the air. If you wish upon a star, know that life ain't fair. If you living in the dark, then the light seem clear, huh? Fresh squeeze lemons. Scrolling down my feed, do I need weapons? Fresh squeeze, fresh.
So everything has been looking great so far for DL shoes. Unfortunately, I just ran into a really big snag. When I started working on his box, the vinyl is not coming off from the backing. So now I'm actually having to do every single piece by hand. I'm literally taking each piece off and putting it back in the right place. And this is taking forever. It usually takes me like 3 days. I'm on day 4 right now and I'm still not done. So you guys can see my difficulty right now. I've got about a day left to finish these kicks up right now. I went from being on time to now being late. So I'm gonna have to pull an all-nighter for this one for sure.
All right, y'all, so we just parked at the studio right now. I'm super amped because DL has no idea that we're here. He's on the actual radio show. He's about to get off. Jay's about to sneak us in. We got about like 5 or 10 minutes at most because he's got a tea time. So let's jump over to the studio next. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys or not, but these shoes are based off of the Dornbecker 5s. That's one of my favorite shoes, and I'm actually wearing them today. Let's go.
Hey now.
How's life, man?
I can't complain at all. What we got?
As always, buddy, you look fitted. So before I even start, man, I just wanted to thank Jay because Jay was the one who kind of linked us up together.
Oh, dope.
You know, is it cool for me to drop this off?
Of course.
Oh,
I got antibodies.
Exactly, I was gonna say. I don't think you got an issue with this, right?
You might.
Yeah. So, you know, Jay and I collabed about a year ago on this. All right, so we've been waiting.
See, I didn't even wear no shoes because I said, what if I might have to wear them today?
Well, you know, he gave me a lot of insight on you, man. And then it took me about a week and a half to do a little bit more research on you. And brother, you have this extensive category of not just comedian, man. I started reading, you have books, you got the radio show, you've got, let's just put it this way.
I'm dope. I am dope.
You're pretty super dope, dog, yeah. So
Let me see what we got.
I think it's time for you to unbox, man. Handle this up, brother.
The box is so dope.
Well, so the box is based on you being a king of comedy, brother.
Oh, look at that. The box is dope as hell.
Yeah. The box is all your accomplishments, brother.
Wow, these are so dope. Look at these.
Check out
Wow.
the tongue tag is your emblem.
Wow.
And then these are all of the different pieces of work, bodies of work that you've done.
Oh,
brother.
wow.
Yeah. We got things like your kids' names on here. Shocked and appalled.
Wow.
Endangered.
If I wasn't wearing orange, I didn't want to look like Orange Julius. Really, I don't even need IMDb. I just said,
That is IMDb, brother.
What is?
Yeah.
Look at my shoe. This is so dope. Look at this.
Yeah. So and then we know you're a golf guy, man. So I think you got a tea time coming up pretty soon.
This is the box is a work of art.
That's what it looked like. That was your shoe. Right.
Hey, Jazz, you see this? Look at
Hey, how are you?
you?
Good.
Look at this. The box is.
Oh wow, the box is dope. Oh snap!
It's a gold on gold. This is all of the things he's done. Like LaDonna's name.
Wow.
I got all the kids' names on there.
Oh, I see Tucker.
Yeah.
Ain't these dope?
Oh, golf shoes. Shut the freak
Look
up.
at that. Look at the label.
This is what they look like
That's
before.
fly.
Yeah.
That is so dope. And the box is made out of glass.
It's all glass, acrylic.
Oh snap, sure
I
is.
had to get gold foil and just wrap it all clean. Like everything here is just hand done.
What would these run if you were buying?
Honestly, about $4,000. I mean, it was a
I was gonna say make me some, but no sir.
I was gonna steal these. well, I was gonna steal these, but now I don't have to. Hey man, thank you, man.
Yeah, of course, man. Yeah.
That's
Hit me out, tag me, and I'll definitely.
Can I grab one picture with both of y'all?
Yeah, for
Since
sure.
he helped me out with this.
Yo, Flip My Kicks episode 4 is in the books. Special shout out to Jay Phillips. Thank you so much for hooking this one up, homie. Again, special shout out to the legendary, original king of comedy, DL Hughley. Thank you so much for being on the show, big homie. Appreciate you as well. If you guys liked the episode, hit that like button for me. Share, subscribe, do everything you can to get this out. Again, my name is Suhail with Flip My Kicks. And wait up for one more second. We got some final shots to give you guys. I'm out of here. Peace.
Yeah, bro, I feel amazing. Jam like it's dinner day. Lungs still cloudy from them splitting cigarillo ways. Spam on the internet, feeling it's the end of days. Fan on that night, feeling fried on my pillowcase. On that 10 eastbound, whipping like it's willow braids. Shepherds ferry sheeps to the slaughter, but they still obey. Looking at my checklist, got me mad restless. She lay where my chest is, her name on my necklace. Calling me Habibi on our FaceTime sessions. When that Rona gone, I'ma fly back to Texas. Talk to her father and I hope that he blessed this. Cause mom's copped the dresses and cooked up the guest list. It's like the world stopped spinning on its axis. Maybe this is us owning up to our actions. Seeing we divided, see the states turn to factions. But Uncle Sam still here eating off the taxes. Counting my days till I see you again. Count on my babe when I need me a friend. Frown on my face when I feel him at end. So I say inshallah you gon' see me again. Hit me while I'm here, my number is in your phone. Ain't going nowhere, I'm kicking it at home. You missing my calls, ain't tripping at all. Don't miss me while I'm here, don't miss me when I'm gone.